Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render public service in the field of law for our countrymen or pagbahagi ng aming kaunting kaalaman sa larangan ng batas. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod na isa namang abogado at isang professor sa maraming law schools in our country. Okay, the topic. Is it mandatory for a homeowner of a subdivision to join a homeowners association? The answer is no. It is not mandatory. Why no? Because of the constitutional provision that we have the right to, that is the right to join or not to join an association, which is not, of course, whose purpose is not contrary to law. So, you cannot be compelled to join a homeowners association. But there is a but. Ano yung but? Ay, tika muna, bumili ka ng house and lot sa isang subdivision. Merong deed of sale, right? Absolute deed of sale. O kaya baka contract to sale pa lang. Basahin yung maigi. Kasi baka isa sa mga provision doon ay nakasaad na ay bilang buyer ng house and lot sa isang subdivision ay it is your obligation to join the homeowners association. So paano yan? Ay obligado ka sa ganung sitwasyon. The buyer is obliged to join a homeowners association. But is that contrary to the provisions of the Constitution? Ay hindi naman. Kasi kontrata yun eh. Kung ayaw mo, di huwag kang bumili ng house and lot sa subdivision na yun. Huwag mong pirmahan yung kontratang yun. So it is your contractual obligation this time to join the association, the homeowners association. Well, sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming club, the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 para sa ating mga sambayanang Pilipino. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.